Hi my darlings, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name's Chrissy. I'm so pleased you could stop by. I would love it if you would subscribe before you leave. To my OGs, don't forget to turn your notification bell on so YouTube can tell you every time I upload a new video. Today I'm going to be using a brand new palette from Revolution Pro. It's the Diamonds palette and it's the Marilyn Monroe collection. So if you'd like to know how I've got this look, please continue to watch. My darlings, I literally have just brought this. This is the Revolution Pro Marilyn Monroe shadow palette. Look how beautiful it is. I did say to you the other day when I showed you the Adorn palette, there's another one coming out. This is the beauty. Now, I'm not sure whether it screams Marilyn Monroe because she was a very sort of beautiful lady who didn't really need a lot of makeup, but I'm going to swatch it and we're going to have a play with it. There's a few mattes but not many. These are the colours of the palette. Now, as I mentioned, to me they're not really Marilyn Monroe, but it is a nice selection of colours. You have got a few mattes. You've also got 3 pressed glitters. It's this one, and this one here. They do seem to be a little better formulated, but they're still not, I'd say, not on par with the Colourpop glitters. So it looks like we're going to do an everyday look today, just with a bit of a pop of something. Right, I'm going to go with this very natural looking brownie colour through my crease. Little slightly kick up in the pan, but I think that depends on what brush you're using. So I'm just going to cover this. Actually, I'll use this as a setting powder. I'm using a different eye base today, so I'm not sure how to use it in the best way, whether it be straight on wet base or setted. So I'm just going to go for safety and do a matte set. How is everybody? I hope you're all having a lovely day and you've had a great week. Let me know what's been going on in your lives down in the comment section, because you know we like a gossip, don't we? Yes, my voice is really hoarse again. If any of you lot have had COVID, let me know how the after effects are, because I just can't kick this. It's driving me mad now. I thought I was getting better. I've lost so much time work wise and filming wise because I've just felt just crap. Right, we've put a bit of a base there. Now, there is not a lot in here at all. You've got 1, 2, 3 mattes out of 16 pan palette. I'm going to go with what we've got anyway, so I'm going to take the darker brown, the next dark brown, and it's Beautiful Thing. So I'll run this through the crease. It's a nice colour brown actually, this one. Bring it a little bit higher here. This is actually a brown, very pink based, if that's a thing. A bit like my eyebrows. Just building this colour up gradually, just so it's not blocky. Would anybody be interested in me doing a nail application just nail tips, full nail tips, using probably sticky whatever they are, sticky tabs rather than glue, because I've not been wearing any. I don't want it to rip my nail off when I take them off, so let me know if you want to have a look at that, just as a filling video. I'm also going to start doing some shorts as well. Like, I've got these beauties here I've just brought, and I might just put those on just so you can see the colours and what they're like in the pan. It's going to be very basic. I'm really sorry. I thought we was going to have sort of greys and silvers, not browns. I really think they could have gone way higher places with this. It's beautiful, but again, I'm not going to be negative, but it's just, to me, it's just not Marilyn Monroe. It's just a bunch of shades with her name on. Next one is the dark brown, and it's called No Angel. So we're just going to put that in the corners, just to add that little bit of definition. It needs something. That's a nice brown. I mean, the colours work well together. I'm not going to say they don't. Right, I've got to go and play around with the other two shades just to get a nicer blend, and I'll be back in a second. Hey baby, cup of tea, thank you.
Okay.
Thanks baby. Right, I've had a little bit of a play, not much, don't want to put too much on, so maybe this sort of champagne-y one. Get a nice amount, then just spray a little bit of fixing spray on it, and it should bring it up to gorgeous. It's pretty, but it's not blinding. Perhaps, like I say, perhaps I've missed the mark. Perhaps it's supposed to be just a pretty palette, not a stunning palette. But we're talking about an amazing human being here. I'm just going to go and take the one I used before right the way over. I'll put some highlighter in my inner corner of my brow bone. Usually Revolution Pro are really good as well, so I'm a bit sort of puzzled. This would be a perfect everyday palette though, in fairness, when you want something just normal to wear without going too crazy. I think I need a new one of these. Just use the Lift and Define 5D Lash Mascara just for a little bit. See if I can remember to do my bottom lashes today. Right, just added a little bit there. Now I'm going to go off, do my base, but I'll leave the video running for you. So give me 5 minutes and we'll go back to the palette. Right, we're going to go back to the palette and I need to put some under my eyes. I will use this highlighter in the inner corner as well. I'm going to have to use the dark brown, I think, and a little bit of the medium brown just underneath the eyes, because the rest are shimmers and I'm not a fan of shimmer under the eyes. So let's have a little look at that. Medium brown just here. Highlighter palette, and I shall just pop a little bit of this beauty in the inner corner. This looks different on the inner corner to where your highlight is. I need to go over that a little bit. I've got a sort of a definite stripe there. I've got this Revolution Pro 24K gold setting spray. Oh, that is extra glowy, that is. It has gold reflex in it. It smells really nice actually. Darlings, that's my finished look for today. I really hope you've enjoyed watching. If you have, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, that would be amazing. And if you haven't already and you do like the look of my channel, please consider subscribing. I will be back in a couple of days. I would love it if you would join me. Until then, please take care of yourselves and stay safe. Love you loads. Bye.